Hi, today we want to show you how to mount the new AIRGLOW system. Therefore, as you can see on the back, first thing is the dirt cover. There we go. What's in the back? We have the double frame system. So we lay it out in here and we have two valves over there. First step is to pump them up. We start with a bigger one. Open the valve. Make sure that the material is loose, that it does not stick together. This may happen, especially in the first transport. And this you pump till 5 psi. When you close this one, and you make the same thing for the other side. And again, make sure that everything is laid out properly so that the air can flow everywhere. Okay, here we go. The second step is the pillow. We have already attached on the pillow the back cover. Unroll it. It's always important when everything is flat. We also pump this up. It's maximum 2 psi. So now, as you can see, there's kind of two sides. One with a big sticker on it. This is the front and has to go to this front part. So we align it here. And then you have this Velcro that you will put all over here. And the same thing on the other side. Make sure that you hit the male part, the hook part, and then you do the same thing. Here we go. The next step is to have here the sides. You start over here. You take them all the way down. Okay, and the same on the other side. Put the Velcro here on the side. And put it on tension. Now the AIRGLOW is already covered to the side, so now we only need the back wall. We attach it here to the front. Flap it over to the other side. Here we go. Now the AIRGLOW is almost finished. So we have two belts in here. You can change the position depending on your fixture. For the Vortex 8, you put it here in the middle and it will also fit almost every other fixture. Just open them and then you can attach it on the fixture and close the belts. Loop the elastic over the fixture. This is how the AIRGLOW works. Just the bounce slide for sure, with different kind of bouncing diffusions or hard silver, whatever you want to use in the backing, that you can put the stripes. On the other hand, you can also put some front diffusions.
Snap cloth,
half grid cloth and quarter grid cloth is included. Thanks for watching, and if you want to learn more how to deflate the whole system, watch our second video. Bye bye.